Gọvanọ Eziokwu ebe jee park na interrogate ya na studio ya na Daily Hammer. So Gọvanọ Eziokwu ọtụtụ ajụjụ jee park jụrụ gị as onye togoro eto, as okenye, and as onye dị matured. There are some answers I was expecting you to put up on the questions jee park jụrụ gị. Ịma na ọ dị ka ọkụkọ hapụrụ mma gburu ya tọgọwara ite ofe onu. Ajụwa gị relationship gị na Chukwuebuka Anọziobi when you were praising Zion, when you was praising Ebuka Obi, when you were like exalting them. And the time na ha na-abịa ngwa ọkpaala, you were saying that was a welcome development, na oge weta development na bu unu, and the most especially side again Okpontu. And at a point you deviated, you started campaigning against Zionites and Zion and Ebuka Obi coming to ngwa ọkpaala that na ha were anyị unu n'ike na ha follow here na due process. Yes, and anụ m ka ị na-ekwu okwu na unu ga court sue the state government and you people won the case, and the state government never appealed that case. Now ịwa ajụjụ jee park jụwa gị ịrapụ ya gawa to ihe ọzọ. Fada Mbaka batara na ajụjụ ọbụla jee park jụrụ gị. I was listening to that video from the beginning to the end. Even the first day you came, jee park na-etu gị afa ibido na ebe park moto gị na-agbagote enu. I heard, I was following you people up. Now, ajụọ gị ajụjụ ibido kwuo maka Fada Mbaka, use Fada Mbaka as an example. That Fada Mbaka said that God told him that Buhari was a Messiah. If Fada Mbaka said that Buhari was a Messiah, then the Buhari meant well for Nigerians. Yes, Buhari was a Messiah. Let me tell you, good luck Jonathan that you people are dying and clamoring for. Let me tell you, tell me one project that good old Jonathan in his own time facilitated in the southeast. Again, go Bayelsa. A word became or on a Bayelsa Bubenia, but he has the opportunity, he has the voter power, he has every power of incumbents, he has everything that it takes for him to what? Make Nigeria great, for him to meet up to the demand of just non-OTA subsidy. You will put subsidy on your beba. Man, I will tell you things Buhari may in his own time. Buhari may recognize your local rice. Local rice was nowhere to be found. Agriculture was nothing before Buhari. Manana mark out millions and billions of naira for agricultural projects on every administration. Now Buhari now stops importation. A way value for our food. We value for our own agriculture. We value for our own products. Now you mentioned something about Fulani henchmen. Was Boko Haram not there during the time of Goodluck Jonathan? Was militancy was not there during the time of Goodluck Jonathan? Amnesty, Goodluck Jonathan with an amnesty. In my billions of dollars, edge way destabilize the amnesty. In my billions of dollars, edge way destabilize the amnesty. Now I will tell you this, Governor Eziokwu. You were saying that Jay Park was the one that came to your hotel room where you was in Lagos. He called you and you directed him, came to the hotel room. Over 2 hours. No na agwagoku about the Zion. Na agwagoku maka Chukwuebuka Anọziobi. And you were tackling Jay Park. In a blame Jay Park. No Jay Park. For so against your wish to go to Zion. That it was never your wish. It was never in your plan that na in a more former before going to Zion. That na Lagos clear your 40-feet container. Yes. And after all those things, I know kwam ki na-ekwu ni dey bribe. Ni iri nuro bribe ni dey na nka Jay Park na ajugo onu na asị what of na obu na ekwe nge ga akpọrọ okwu afa na ọ n'ime nji brain gị mara egwu ego enye gị na enye ego mmachi akpa. He said that na go abụ Governor Eziokwu. Obo name and no bribe. Na hapo ya bribe. I say where you were defending that, trying to defend that. Man ankebe Eziokwu be na kwe na appreciation money. Akozayon yegi. Oruzi oge Akozayon chokwa ka o jikwere appreciation money ahụ ka unu meweri advert Zolobita si unu jo. Only God knows what sere okwu ebu unu no. unu mechekwa kwa mmadụ unu wee WhatsApp group ebe unu na-afụ owu unu. The time J Park was being pushed into that lagoon of destruction, insult or Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka, which he did. People started tackling him, saying, "Can he make over? Now he apologized." J Park confessed with his mouth the way he was being tackled on the WhatsApp group. From the WhatsApp group for days because of name Omegene or apologize to Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. Now he ain't a job bikono. Nde Zion and ako blogger so go parewa Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. Ka ona hada ako blogger so go because I heard you even fugo in the street. Afun be mo ge no ko go and ngbo pala. Afun be mu and Governor Eziokwu, I heard you one certain time, and up to date, you are regretting. Even Mbosi congratulate you, Father Mbaka, for the 30th anniversary. How people we are tackling you, how people na tackle again. Obu no ge ku omume. Ewe appreciation money ye anything. Please, Kawaro, be bold enough, stand firm. If you can return it back, or if you can expose it, that you were being appreciated because of Nahafu Nibo, an outspoken person. Manero kwaroru ya sigeru manena ho bribe. Okay, manero roru. When you were busy insulting Mbaka, telling Mbaka all manner of things, saying that Father Mbaka is jealous and envy, that Mbaka is wicked, Mbaka is this and that, and you made mention of that same statement again. Na Daily Hammer J Park. That na Father Mbaka fought against Peter Obi. Ebe na ma hebes onye na ma hebes ni ozu na ebido n'okwu bọwịa. Pụtanụ n'okwu Peter Obi na Father Mbaka. You cannot know everything. Even me n'ebe a na-ekwu. Even more n'ebe a na-ekwu cannot know what everything concerning a priest of God and a lay person. Or the kunu maneri, me we in Zion. By the way, Father Mbaka, sing kanka, you will date hour, and kanka, a call came from Umuchibo. Ya ni sigino na pata Governor Eziokwu. Man, by now, if something can happen, something you so much cherish, Zion jikwe bia ngwa pal illegally. Na no ge under that process na ezo yezo. Obo na ezi ezo. Kezi we maru. Kunu si we maru. We put allegation against Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka na go 3 to 4 native doctors. Ke gana ngwa pala ga plant ya chan we distract Ebuka Obi ebia ngwa pala. Can't you see that ofu wama ala meteru na attack a community? A community. Biko obu na oge ekwu omume ewe video obu na unu na-eme ajụọ ga ajụjụ gaba straight sa ajụjụ gị ịkọ na anya weti ebe Father Mbaka nọ ọ dị ka ịnọkata ide ime kete ka ide sorry ịnọkata kwa ime oge ka ide against. That is not saying the truth. This is called hypotheism. Ibe hypocrite parasite. You are not being plain. Try as much as possible to be plain. Focus on your questions. Ajụọ Yesaya. Oge unu ha ka unu ha jewe Zion. Ewero onye bodara unu. Ewero onye kwe ka unu ha wee form all group. Ka unu ha wee na-eme ya. Ka unu ha wee encourage Ebuka Obi ya form all legal team. And if your people are not careful enough, that legal team unu encourage Ebuka Obi ye idea or form more, I get use against you people. And let me tell you, Omandekwaru uni easy. Omandekwaru uni easy because this is like God, Holy Spirit putting an angel that you people can never defend. Una mahebo sabia with his weapon. Una mahebe the angel sabia. Una na fu that you people na try control iha. If you can now be speaking against Zion, hate Zion and hate Ebuka Obi with passion, in agazi on a public social media. Yeah, the camera they bufucha na charge Jeroria. Don't blame J Park, a boro market, Jeru David Burugeba. I know what to put it clear on you. Oh, look high time. A gap precision I hear you be go ne. Unu juwe ku wonu me umumena de roma megido one noon okay. and aka ebere m ka na-emekwa other bloggers na-anara ego enwekwa voice note m ga ha ewefute ka unu marụ ebe m na-arụga aka na-enyekwa ego appreciation na 500,000 weru kparịarụ m Fada Mbaka ikwete emeche God esi ebe ọzọ koye gị kote gị weru nko koye gị na the trouble again na ndị agha abụziri your worst enemy. But I can advise you, Governor Eziokwu, you should not blame anybody. You blame anybody. Ihe niile unu fight Fada Mbaka ekwuru okwu. Fada Mbaka atụpụrụ ọnụ. Fada Mbaka bụ oje mbe enwilo. Chi adoration bụ oje mbe enwilo. Please, ọ bụrụ na ọ ga-ekwu omume, let ka anyị mee ihe a ka ọ ga-esi bara anyị nja, because I see future. I see future. I see war from the other side. Ebe ahụ unu kwuburu, ebe ahụ unu sarachabu piom. Umago, ịma na JPAC adịghị ebe ihe na-adịrọ. Let me still reserve my comment. Thank you.